together about the group project. And so we're talking about like over the course of either just till Wednesday or the next week, let's each come up with at least one idea individually.
Okay.
Project, and then we'll come together and talk about the different ideas and then decide which one we want to use from there.
Okay. Sounds good.
So not so difficult one, right? Because
I haven't
we
even read
have
anything about it. What it is just basically we're designing a study, or
Pretty much.
Yeah, we have to research. We have to get the data. So. Okay, today we have to open Excel, Applet, chapter 12, D12 data A1, B1. And also we need to open a quantitative something. I can't read. So 3 Excel data we have to open.
Having all the stuff.
internet's being super slow.
Yep.
I like that. Your kids singing.
Yeah.
La, 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 la. Cute. So cute. Okay, who is ready?
I got the first one up. The second one is just taking its sweet time to load. Just the two, like the chapter 12 data files, and then the what?
So we need to use the formula to answer question 3, like a t equal x minus mu b 0. No, wait a minute.
Well, I think that's one you can just put into the Excel spreadsheet.
Oh. So question 3 and question 4, we don't need to Excel data, right? Because
I guess it is different data, not the other one.
Different. And question 3, just we need to use a pair sample formula. T equal ds minus 0 and n standard deviation. No, I'm not sure. Cute. So I use that formula. 2.2 minus 0. 2.2 minus 0. And the bottom is 3.3 divide 3. Because root 9 is 3. I'm sorry. My English is not. So
many tabs open.
Kind of. Okay, sorry guys.
You're fine.
Mike. My computer just like.
This says okay.
Yeah, my
Do not
computer's
have a
deciding
PUBG.
it's super slow right now as well.
Yeah, mine as well. I think it's got to be the online thing there. It's just funny. You wouldn't think anybody would be on because it's holiday.
Unless that means everyone's trying to get caught up on homework.
Yeah, that's what my wife just said.
Yeah.
It's the Titan.
Is on.
Yes.
Sorry. What question?
Question 3.
Okay.
Where did it go? There we go.
Okay.
Oh, no, not this one. What is the value of the test status?
So to find the test statistic.
So my idea is use the pair sample formula. No?
Which formula was that?
Like T equal DS minus 0 and under part is N divide SD. Wait a minute. It like I don't know which formula. It's which formula is this one is wrong.
So I'm just making sure I'm understanding correctly. So like the T value was the one where it's the
Like
the measured value minus the standard deviation, or
yeah, like step 4, the lesson step 4. I'm checking the 1, 2, 3, 4.
like, give the test statistic again its value. I'm just trying to remember what all the different points represent.
Where am I looking for?
The square root is the one. It's like the square root of n.
Mm-hmm.
Is your pro?
Say what?
So it's asking for the test statistic.
Right.
So my like problem, and it's not even showing me like. Yeah, I think it's so that's good.
The formula, you know, the what's it? Like the test status, the give the test status and its value. You know, I'm checking the step 4 variety. The requirements have been met. The part, you know, table lesson manual. I'm reading that and I give the test. I don't know. I thought I used this formula for
right.
for the answer. The test static for the test improvement data.
I was trying to remember what that formula is.
Yeah.
I feel like we did it in less than 11.
Yeah, I just went to the last chapter, so it would be x bar minus like how like the mu or something?
No, I mean the d
X bar minus mu over
So if
f.
you go to
is
less than
minus 0. Okay, okay. Like d, can you see? Are they?
11 and
Not
this
this one. Are they, can you see
so
that?
less than 11.
Yeah. I use this formula. Oh well. Because the one statement is t equal x. What's that? x2 minus mu. Oh well. The instructor explain this formula.
So do we have any of these values? Because I know, like with the standard deviation, we assume, like since we don't know that value, we're just supposed to assume it's a different one. It's like the sample size standard deviation. So is that the 3.3?
It's just, I don't.
So my me, I use this, and my answer is 2. No,
2.2.
2.2 minus 0. Like I don't know, 2
Why
point
zero? Where did the 0 come from?
the okay. Let me show. Like you know the lesson is like a step 4,
Right.
and this use t equal that formula minus 0, and also the okay. Which video? Let me see that. Did you watch the instructor video?
I got the first video in. I didn't get to the second.
Okay, let me check that. Let me check. I'm not sure. Well, it takes time.
So d bar is the sample mean.
So that'd be the first value. So that'd be 2.2 minus
0.
And then less than 12, it says minus 0. So yeah, let's just do that.
Okay.
And then
That'd be the standard deviation, which for this one is the 3.3.
Yeah, I think so.
yeah,
And
And
root
root
9.
3, because
Yeah.
n is sorry, I wanna show the video, but YouTube didn't work.
It's okay. So the answer should be
It should be 2.
2.
yes.
I think.
Makes sense to me.
Yeah.
Okay.
So then it says
Then-
the probability of obtaining a test assist.
So we use the applet.
Test statistic. Use the
Applet.
probability to
And they put the 0.
the different Jordan's hypothesis. What's the p-value formula again? I left all of my notes at home, so that was useful.
0.485. No. I use
Using data A or data B?
I don't think we're in either of those yet. They'll tell us when to pull those up.
using the information that's given?
I put the 0.04 in students' T probabilities, like a green, white, orange
The
color.
applet.
Yeah, and put the number into the T
Area.
area, and it says 0.485. 4485.
Since it's
I don't know how to use this.
because here, I don't think if we're starting with the probability of getting that value, we would need to put in the area, the 0.0403.
Oh,
Because area corresponds to
this probability to the p version of the test. So anyway, we use this number 0.0403, right? We use this
right.
number. Use this probability to determine p value.
Well, I'm just blanking on all of the things.
Yeah, I'm still trying to figure out what the p-value
So-
formula is.
So we use this one, no?
Over, I think it's over the square root of the standard deviation, or just over the standard deviation.
Well, because I'm
But,
looking at the stuff on the online, I'm in lesson 11 right now looking for it, and it just keeps on saying in the software it gives you this. So basically, you have to put the information in to get the p-value.
Yeah, but we don't have all of the things, and
Yeah.
so
So that's so.
So we
plus-
use that number to do something 0.0403 because this one is
to
static.
find the z-score first.
Wait.
Okay.
I'm looking still in chapter 12. How it says the p-value is the area to the left of t under the curve. And so if you put in as the area the probability, because technically it would just be 1 minus that, right? Like, with those rules of probability that, like, the
Yeah.
probability of, like, 2 is occurring. So basically, this is a statistic of it getting higher than this score,
Okay.
but the p-value would be everything to the left. So of not getting that high of a score.
So are you saying to just shade the left?
Just completely, so from the left of the right bar. So it'd be the middle section and the far left.
Because we put 2 in the degrees of freedom, right?
Okay, hold on.
And so
Hold on.
with those, then that makes the t-score 1, or is the t-score 2?
T-score
Wait.
2?
That's what I say, because
No, we don't need to put in the 2 for the test statistic yet. I
Well, then
think
what do you put in
Yeah.
for?
I just put in the into the area, because how it says the probability of obtaining a test statistic greater than Jordan's test statistic is this. And so if we put that value into the area, well, area corresponds to probability.
Mm-hmm.
And so
The
So if I
So-
do that, because I have the middle and the left shaded, when I put that in the area, it gets rid of the middle and just shades the far left.
well, no, so initially start out just shading to the right, because that would be the getting a statistic greater than that test.
So the center and the right, or just
So-
the right?
Just the right.
Right.
And then we're looking at the other
okay.
two sections after that. If I'm right, which I may not be.
0.485? No. Sorry. So okay, now we know that we use these probabilities, right? The green, orange, white one? No. We
I'm
use
pretty
this
sure.
one. Yes, no. This one? Are you guys using this one?
Yeah, that one's up, but that's what I'm saying is what do you put where?
And only right side? No.
Because mine doesn't look anything like yours.
So,
Mm.
so,
Because
I
what
went.
number did you put in T T score?
Didn't put anything in the T score. It did its own.
Right.
Oh, we have to put.
What'd you put in degrees of freedom? It defaults at 3.
Yeah, I left it at 3.
So then in the area I typed 0.043
Mhm.
0.0403 and
Yeah,
shaded to
that
the
mean.
right, then the T score is 2.597.
Oh, really? Mine's a 0.485.
So I got
How about
9.97.
so only right side shadow? Shadow?
Shaded?
Right side? Shade? No, right
That'd be
side.
T score. Wait.
Because wait a minute. So you said we have to shade only right side because but H0 mu D equals 0 and the HA mu D is not equal 0. So that is two tail. So not middle part on left and right side shadow. No.
So we have enough information in the Z score. And score.
I can't hear anything you're saying, Savannah. You're like going in and out.
So
Is that just me?
No.
we will move next question and need to be back.
Probably not a bad idea.
I have no freaking clue.
I'm just Googling how to find the P score or P value. Just trying to refresh myself. The p-value is a probability associated with your critical value. Critical value depends on the probability you are allowing for a type 1 error. It measures the chance of getting results at least as strong as yours if the claim were true. So, if that's the case, so that means that would be the p-value, the 0.0403, because it's the p-value is the probability of someone getting better than that score. Right?
Hypothesis test.
Yeah, I'm thinking it's just going to be the 0.0403 almost.
For crying out loud.
Oh, am I not turned on?
Oh, hey.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, Savannah, mine's on.
So,
So, Savannah, can you still hear us? Okay.
the test is greater than. Okay. About
Yeah, I definitely need to spend some time studying this week and go get reviewing the previous chapters.
So
You need to find the z-score and then put the z-score into the normal applet, and the area is your p-value. So the z-score
So-
then.
it's not simple 0.04. Put the number in the t-score and then shared only right side, and 0.485 is the answer. No. Is that not p-value? We use a p-value.
Problem is we don't know sigma.
P-value. Like
So how we say its value is the mean over the standard deviation? Is that the 2.2 over 3.3?
So according to this, or cool, because you have to go to the standard deviation of the dependent one of whatever he uses, which is the 3.3. So our z-score is 2.
The t-score is the t-score.
They kind of seem like they're the same.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's working.
It seems like it's still coming in and out a little bit.
Probably fine.
Okay, there we go. We can hear you much better now.
So if you go in the normal probability applet and you put in 2 as the z-score, it gives you the area
Yeah, because I'm recording it.
0.0228. I'm doing homework right now. I can help you later.
Can you guys hear me now?
Yes.
Yeah, we can.
Yes.
Okay. So what I'm pretty sure you need to do is you need to take the 0.0403 minus the 2.2 and then put all of that over 3.3. That gives you your z-score. Then you put that, it's going to be a negative. You put that in your normal probability applet. You just shade the left. The number you get as the area is your p-value.
Left.
So
Okay.
don't do this t distribution applet, not that one, the normal probability applet. You just Google it. It comes right up. Does that make sense?
So, okay. Sorry. Again, you take what over? You take the 2.2.
You do 0.0403 because that's the he said they say use this probability. So the 0.0403 is the value. You do value minus mean.
Mhm.
So for this example, the mean is going to be 2.2.
Mhm.
And then
this
you
is all divided by the 3.3.
correct. And that's just your z-score. And you should get negative 0.654.
So are we subtracting the values in the numerator?
Is the numerator the top one?
Yeah.
Sorry. Yes, you are subtracting them.
I was asking that same question. I was like, wait, which one is that?
Yeah, for real. My bad, guys.
The 0.0403 minus 2.2.
And then divide that answer by 3.3.
And you
So
put that into
4.
Sorry, what?
So I got a negative 6544 or 0.6544.
Yeah,
And
so
then
you
put that into the normal probability.
yes, and you just shade the left, and you put it
do you put
in.
that in the area
You put it in z-score.
score?
The p-value is going to be your area.
Oh, okay.
Sorry, if my mic was working earlier, I could have saved a lot of time. Shout out to my husband who fixed it.
Thank you. So I got an area
And
of
also thank you.
0.256. So 0.257.
What do you have shaded?
Just the left. With my z-score is the negative 0.654.
Yep. So you got your answer as 0.256.
Right.
Yeah. Rounded, it'd be
Okay.
0.25. So you said 0.256?
257 if you round it.
Yeah, 257. Yep. And that is your p-value.
7. 0.257. Okay. Okay.
Okay, moving on.
0.257. Okay.
Cool. At this point, I'm just saying move on. Holy crap.
Now we're using, so hopefully it's mostly going to be learning how to plug and chug.
So for this one, we use the paired sample t-test, right?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yep, the paired
Now,
sample t-test.
finally, we can use this.
Paired sample test.
Be sure that test does one minus group.
So the first and T status.
So first we need to subtract out, right? And then we add those values into the thing.
What?
What?
So we take the scores that are in the data thing, the data A, and so we have to subtract value 2 from, no, subtract value 1 from value 2.
Mm-hmm. So we just copy and paste value 1, variable 2, and
Yeah, because
the
it does it all for you.
T said 0.407.
So yeah, so it's
The question 5. Right, that what is the test statistic?
yeah. So it does the differences for you because you just have to do group 1 minus group 2. So you just need to make sure that you put it in the right order. Like group 1 goes in variable
So-
1, group 2 goes in variable 2.
Mm-hmm.
Because,
And
yeah,
I
go
got-
to the
No,
A, the
zero.
post minus pre.
Sorry, what?
So it'd be the post minus the pre. So it'd be, like, for instance, for the first line, it'd be 234.19 minus 202.09.
Oh, it would be the other way.
Other way around.
Is it?
Group 1.
Because they want group
Put,
1 minus group 2.
Oh, okay, yeah, just kidding. I just noticed where they mentioned group 1 minus group 2.
So null hypothesis should be 0. Type of test should be a not equal to.
Mm-hmm.
And they don't give us a confidence level, so I'm guessing just leave it at 95.
Yeah, usually unless otherwise
Yes.
specified.
Okay,
And,
what is the test statistic?
0.407.
The T value, and I got, 0.407.
Mm-hmm. You got it?
Yep.
Ah, spider.
T value, I have
Ah.
0.689.
Yeah, same. 0.68. Ah,
Yep.
I can't find a spider.
Okay. So then it wants
Okay, and question 7.
is
It,
less than level of significance.
0.10.
Correct decision based on the evidence. So our p-value is greater than our level of significance.
So greater than 0.1.
Isn't it? No, it's greater than.
Good.
You're right.
That fail to reject
Then you
because greater than
That's right.
0.1. Fail to reject, no?
Yeah, I think so. Why can't they just say accept?
Right?
I don't know. Robbie, are you up with us? I know you had to change your things.
Yeah, my Excel sheet is being stupid and not accepting it, so it's like not wanting to change back.
You just undo and take it back to the beginning.
So I think I got the values now. I just need to get them
You
into
might just have
the correct spreadsheet now. I have too many things open on my computer. I'm starting to freak out a little bit.
No, but not that one. No.
Okay, copying it into the spreadsheet.
I said no. You can play the other game. You cannot play that game. Press circle.
Okay, finally that. So I'm showing the T value is 0.276. Is that correct?
Yes.
Wait, what?
Wait, what did you say?
So 407, right?
Wait.
0.407. Did you say that?
I did not.
Let's say I heard 6 in there.
Yeah,
What did-
276 is what I'm showing as the T value.
I got
No, what's your
7.
hypothesis?
Oh, I need to change the null hypothesis. Okay. So null hypothesis is.
Should be 0.
You said that to. Okay.
And type of test should be not equal to.
There we go. Much better. 0.407.
407.
Now
Yes.
I'm on the same page. Okay. Sorry about that, guys.
No
you're
problem.
good.
So then p-value is 0.688.
8,
8,
9.
9 when you round up, but yes. So then because it's greater than, we fail to reject.
Okay.
Isn't that right? Yeah, if it's greater than, then you fail to reject.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So now we suppose the alternative hypothesis was it is greater than instead of equal to. What's the correct decision based on this evidence?
So we change the type of test to say greater than.
It changes our p-value to 0.344.
Which is still greater than.
So
We.
have sufficient evidence.
So wait, if we still fail to reject, have insufficient evidence.
I think we the first one. No, we have insufficient evidence that the mean of the differences is equal to 0, because we.
Well, but this
Fail-
one is going to be
Oh,
greater
wait a-
than. So wouldn't it be the second one?
Wait a minute. We
Have
reject.
sufficient
fail to
evidence.
reject. Oh yeah.
Yeah, it is the second one.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Awesome. Okay, now we
Okay.
need to
so now
do
we
the
need-
other one.
Okay.
Let's get next.
So this is the same group 1 minus 2.
Okay. Is a B.
B.
Also close out this other one. A little case on my computer.
Sadness.
Okay. So the question is, which is greater, N or DF? So N is 22. DF is 21. So N is greater than DF.
Yep.
So which one is
And then it wants
greater?
to-
N.
Wait,
Right?
are you guys all with us? Are we all at the same
Yeah.
place?
Yeah,
So
I'm posting
sample mean.
now.
Our sample is greater than our. What was it? Difference.
Mm-hmm.
Difference of whatever, which is greater. So N.
My p-value is 0.000.
0.001. No?
The p-value is 0.000. Significance is 0.01.
0.001.
Oh, wait. I forgot to change all this stuff. Hold on. It's supposed to be not equal to,
Yeah.
and it's 0.
Oh,
I
you
forgot
changed
to change that.
So 0.001.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not
So
equal to. Yeah, 0.001.
okay. The question 11. What decision do you make?
What this is?
Wait, so the p-value, we said the p-value is 0.001?
Yeah.
Yes, the p-value is 0.001.
Question 10, yes.
Okay, I'm trying to see what I got off here because the null hypothesis is still equal to 0.
Yeah, and it's not equal to.
The type of test is a not equal to.
Yeah, it is not equal to, but I'm showing it as 0.005.
It's 0.005.
So 5.
What's your
5?
t-value?
T-value is 3.135.
Yeah, see,
Hmm.
Yeah,
Yeah,
no,
I
I have
wonder-
a different one.
you got variable 1 and variable 2. Like they're in their right columns.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
We have 69, 34, 39 in 1. And then 2 would be 30, 12, 14.
Yeah,
As
so then the difference values are 39, 22, 25.
Yeah.
39, 22, 25. Yeah.
And yeah, I just posted all those.
What's your confidence level?
Oh, it's missing the last like 2 values. Why did
Uh-huh.
those post?
Yeah, your last one should be 30.
Yeah, there we go. Okay, for some reason, yeah, I had n equals 20 instead of n equals 22.
Oh, missed your last.
Oh,
Yeah, for some reason, it cut off the last 2 when I posted it. That was weird.
Odd. Yeah, your computer's freaking out.
Yeah, it's just all sorts of weird things right now.
where are you going?
Okay,
what
so yeah,
decision-
001.
Watching something?
Okay, so p-value is
Get your
less
coat.
than.
Your
So that means we
Less
reject.
than 0.01, 0.01.
So we reject,
'Cause
right?
less than we
I
reject.
think so. Reject.
Yeah.
I can't pronounce.
So this one wants to change it to greater than, and then it wants to know if it increases, decreases.
P-value decreases.
Decreases.
It
Yeah,
does.
I think so.
Indeed. And then
Okay.
based off of that, what decision do you make? And you still reject.
Mm-hmm.
Based on your
Question
response, what
30.
conclusion do you make?
So
We have
question
sufficient
40.
evidence.
There is a mean different 2 groups.
The
So
third one.
the third
Yeah.
one. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, third one. We have sufficient evidence there is a mean difference.
Okay. And question 15.
As we see, the p-value depends on the alternative hypothesis. In general, with alternative hypothesis, we'll give the smallest p-value.
Last one.
Pinned?
Oh.
I think
I
it's a
don't.
problem.
Less than is the most. Greater than is the less.
Smallest
Not equal to is only slightly
p-value.
larger.
Because
Are you reading that from the textbook?
No,
Or
I'm
are
just
you just doing it?
swapping it on the sheet. The greater than gives us the smallest one.
I mean, in both of the problems that we've done, that's been true. Like in the A set and the B set of the Excel sheet.
Yeah.
So it makes sense to me that it would be greater than. But I.
not enough information depends on.
I guess
I
it's
either think it's the
So-
third or fourth one. I guess we could
Yeah.
try and then submit, and if it's wrong, we'll do the other one.
Yeah, go try the other one.
Which one are you going to try?
doing the fourth one because that's the way it was on both the ones we did.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm not smart enough.
Determine your confidence interval. Group 1, and put your answers below. What is the point estimate for this 95% confidence interval? That should be on the thing.
Are we
And
going back to greater than or not equal to though?
It
Probably back to equal to. Yeah, not equal to.
Yeah. Which doesn't change the confidence interval at all, so it doesn't
Yeah.
really matter.
So what is the point estimate? That's the probability app, right?
No, I think isn't the point estimate just the greater
I
minus
think
the
we use
lower
the
divided by
yeah
n? I think is what it is, but let me look and
Yeah.
make sure.
5.303 plus 18.607 divide 2 is margin. Question 17 is margin
Yeah,
what is
that's
the
what
of
it is.
error. So
Okay, wait, what is that?
so
Minus the lower over n.
Oh, yeah. So wait, what's
So-
X bar then?
What do you mean, what X bar? It's just so the confidence interval, so 18.607 minus 5.303 divided by 22. Where's my husband's calculator?
right here.
So it's the greater minus the lesser over what?
Which is, in this example, 22.
Hmm?
In that case, I got 0.605.
The point.
0.605. Yep.
And then it wants to know the margin of error.
I'm sorry, what did you say? 1 point? Question 16.
0.605. And then where did you see that formula? Which chapter was that one in?
I'm gonna be honest and say I just Googled it
Okay.
for sake of the fact that we've been on
Look
this
at
reading
lesson-
for a really long time.
Listen,
But it would be like, I would say like 4 or 5. Like I remember learning that pretty early on.
Okay.
oh, because yeah, in lesson 10 it says confidence intervals are x bar minus z times sigma over square root of n, or plus.
Yeah, but this one is just the point estimate, which I'm pretty sure we learned. Like I think these last couple questions are review questions
Review.
because
So that's
all of
Okay.
the tests don't just include what we learned from Unit 2; they include all the stuff from Unit 1 and Unit 2.
Which there is tests out there to say that that is not effective. Just going to say that. They have done testing. Cumulative tests are pointless.
We got
I
Well,
don't
then
remember
generally
that.
the cumulative, what we learn builds on the next thing. It's not like, oh, we're learning about American history. Now we're moving on to this thing.
Well, it should.
so the instructor sent 2 YouTube videos, right? For like finding margin of error using a confidence interval.
Yeah, so the margin of error is the
Right?
upper minus the lower divided by 2.
Mm-hmm. That is
So
the
it's-
margin of error, right?
Yeah, so it's 18.607 minus 5.303 divided by 2.
Mm-hmm.
That's the margin of error, I think. If I get all these wrong, I'm sorry.
Yeah, I think so. So
The margin of error would be the distance
Same
from-
problem, just instead of n, it's over 2.
Yeah, it's the same thing. It's just over 2 instead of n.
6.67. Question 17 is 6.67.
No, I got 6.652.
That's what I got.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, 6.65.
6.652.
Okay.
6.65.
Because 18.607 minus 5.303, right?
18.607 minus 5.303 divided by 2.
2. Oh yeah, 6.652.
So then for
I don't
18 and 19, we have to put in the confidence interval.
Correct.
6.652. So 5.03 303 and the 19 is 18.607, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Who wants to submit? Any
I can
brave
do it.
soul?
Say what?
I just said any brave soul. Listen, if it's above a 90, I'm not even taking that second attempt. I'm going to be honest.
So I'm submitting, right?
Yes.
Yeah, go for it.
Please.
I want to make sure.
Random question. Have any of you guys figured out how to make quizzes not just like that bottom bar on your page?
No.
No.
So we missed question number 4.
Oh, bummer.
Oh.
That's my fault. I
That
thought we
was a
had
weird
it.
And question number 15.
15,
And 16.
4,
And 18 and 19.
15, 18,
Huh.
4.
I'm
All
pretty sure the upper and lower bounds, you have to do the actual x bar minus z.
I could have sworn that.
Wait.
okay.
18
Is
and
it-
19?
So wait, what's the
We
score?
missed it?
score? Like, what number did you get? What is that, like
85.
80? Okay.
We got 17 out of 20.
So wait, you said we got 15 wrong?
Yeah.
Okay, so I guess we can safely assume that that means it's the
No,
third one.
Okay.
Yeah. And then we got 16 wrong.
So we got number.
Other
Hold on.
pointers. But why 18 and 19? We missed it.
We missed number 4.
Okay, 4, 15, 16, 18, 19, right? And then
Yeah.
we fixed the 16.
We fixed 15.
Oh, 15, not 16. Okay. But I have no idea why 18 and 19 is wrong. Wrong.
I'm pretty sure those aren't those. That's our confidence interval, but I don't think that's our upper and lower bounds.
We put the. Oh, wait a minute.
Did you say that was in lesson 11,
Low.
Jordan?
Yeah. Or wait, sorry, lesson 10 in the summary.
Huh?
I don't know. It's because it's talking about confidence interval. It needs to be upper or low, so I'm not sure if that's what they're looking for or what.
Like an interval
Lower
is
5 1. Put the lower.
the width of the confidence
5
interval
1.
depends. It's the same. So that's the formula for creating a confidence interval. But I'm pretty sure the confidence interval is just the upper and lower bound. Like,
How about X?
Unless, what if it's just the upper and lower bounds of the sample?
X bar
Not-
plus
oh, I see
marginal
what you're saying.
equals lower
The
bound.
standard error
No?
of the mean.
Okay, 11.955 plus 5.0303 equals 17.258 is lower bound. No, because the YouTube, the instructor sent it upper bound equal X bar plus margin error. So we should calculate a mean plus lower. No, margin error? Yeah, 5.03. No?
Guys, I'm going to be honest and say I have no idea.
Yeah, I have the next couple of days off of work. I'm going to take some time and really like go through the past lessons and try and figure out some more things. Because right now I feel like I'm, even if I am able to work through the formulas, I'm not understanding why we're doing things. So I want to make sure I get a better understanding of that.
I'm honestly okay with the quiz grade that I will get on this. And
Yeah,
if everyone
I need to
else
go
is
to
okay
bed.
with just ending this now, then okay.
Okay, so now we need to fix the 4, 15, 16, 18, 19, right? Then,
Leave it because we don't know how to do
Yeah.
them.
mm-hmm.
Wait,
Okay.
Jordan, you got
So
18 and 19
I'm
wrong?
just gonna go ahead and submit
18, 19,
Nine.
yes. So 1, 2, 3,
What?
4, 5 questions.
Why did you get them right?
I got 17, 18, and 19 all correct.
We got 17
Yeah.
correct, but I got 18 and 19 wrong.
18 and
17?
19.
I put in the 5.303 and the
And
18.607.
18.607.
Yeah.
Notice that it is only 0.5 points for each question, though. So you might notice a 0. Because I put in 5.303 and I got the 0.5 out of 0.5.
See, I got the same
Hmm?
thing, but instead I got them wrong.
Huh.
One sec. Let me pull it back up. This is number 12.
This is for 18 and 19.
I'm talking
18.
about less than 12.
Oh, yeah, less than
12?
12.
I can pull it back up and look at my scores. I can freaking find
Okay.
it.
I'm confused. Which number we missed? So because I have to fix it later.
Yeah, the only ones that I'm showing got wrong is question 4 and 16.
4 and 16.
No, 15?
You didn't get
4
15
and
wrong?
Oh, well, I went ahead and changed that value.
okay. So now we need to think
Because
about
mine said they were wrong.
which number? Are you talking about 15?
Talking right now about 18 and 19.
It's same number, but
Yeah, mine says they're wrong.
That's weird. And you did put like for 18 is 5.303, 19, 18.607.
Yeah.
Says 0 out of 0.5.
Yeah. Maybe I put a space in there or something, so it's reading it as an extra number and it's wrong.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm feeling I got it right.
I'll put them back in that one because if they're right, then because if you got them right, then I don't know, maybe my computer's just stupid.
Yeah, I think we've had a lot of
Broadcast
technology
now.
issues today.